Dcode's Bold 3 now has a new partner in Pakistan, and it has more RAM now to better handle multitasking. This device was initially released in the country with only 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Several months have passed, and now Dcode has decided to add variety to Bold 3 by giving it a new variant with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Of course, the variant scaled up the RAM capacity with its new variant and came with a slightly higher markup, but the Bold 3 remains the same powerful device that it was before. Dcode's Bold series is home to some of the company's most successful mid-rangers. Dcode Bold 3 pairs its 8 GB physical RAM with the very same Helio G99 2.2 GHz octa-core chip, and it serves you plenty of room for files with its 128 GB storage. If the user feels limited by it, they have an option to expand the storage with up to 1 TB SD card. Helio G99 chip partners with a Mali G57 GPU, which also packs quite the punch if you are a casual gamer. The very same GPU handles the frame rate on Dcode latest Bold model's super fluid 120Hz display, and considering it's an FHD plus 1080p panel, the Helio G99 chip has been the perfect choice for this handset. Sadly, the Dcode Bold 3 only has an Android 13 operating system to boot, so it doesn't have the latest Google features. But Dcode has other options in its smartphone roster, with up-to-date systems if you want to explore them. Its power specifications are also a standard affair. There's a 5000 mAh battery inside the Bold 3, and it's wired to a 15-watt charging kit. Camera-wise, it shoots photos and videos with a triple camera setup on the back, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor. The selfies snapped by this handset are also quite sharp at 16-megapixel resolution. Bold 3 even has a fingerprint on the side, and it onboards an NFC chip for contactless payments. This new 8 GB RAM option also has virtually expandable 8 GB RAM, which totals up to 16 GB extended memory. Dcode Bold 3 828GB new variant officially costs $39,999 in Pakistan.